Galaxy A52 comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. It's a punch-hole screen housing a 32-megapixel fixed-focus selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2. The Galaxy A52 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. Qualcomm had launched this chipset last year in January 2020. This is the same 4G chipset that powers budget phones like Poco M2 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro and others. The Galaxy A52 comes in two RAM options, 6GB and 8GB. Both RAM variants come with 128GB of internal storage and supports 1TB microSD cards. Talking about the camera, the Galaxy A52 comes with a 64-megapixel quad camera module with a primary sensor of 64 megapixel with optical image stabilization, autofocus and an aperture of f1.8. Other sensors include 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro and 5-megapixel depth sensors. There is 10x digital zoom and support for 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The phone runs One UI 3.1 interface based on Android 11 operating system. Samsung has promised to provide software updates for 3 generations and regular security updates for a minimum of 4 years. Inside the box, you will get a 15-watt charging adapter with a standard USB Type-C cable. The device comes with a headphone jack, but you won't get free earphones.